Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. This video we're going to be doing a review of Adams Polish's Brilliant Glaze. Let's do it. So this is a product that I've been wanting to try for a very, very long time. I've seen plenty of review videos on it. I've read a lot of reviews on Amazon. I've read a lot of reviews on Adams Polish's website itself on Brilliant Glaze. It's not a protection. There's no wax to it. It just gives you extra shine or extra pop before a car show. If you're somebody like me that just wants that extra pop before I drive it on the weekend, I guess they say that this is the thing to use. We're going to find out on my 2017 Dodge Journey. It's been washed. The last video, which was I just took just a second ago, I put the VRT on so that if I get any Brilliant Glaze or Adams Buttery Wax on the plastics itself, it should rub right off. We're gonna get started here. I'm gonna use the Brilliant Glaze, and in my 8-bottle bag kit, I got the hex applicator pad for the Brilliant Glaze. It's red. See, I'm horrible at getting stuff in the camera. Right there, there we go. And they say to shake it up really well because it's very, very, like almost watery looking, but never used it. We're gonna find out what it does. Let me get set up. All right, let's read the directions here. Apply to clean surfaces only. For dull paint, refer to our videos. I don't really know what that means. Shake bottle vigorously before and during use for best results. Pour small amount of Adams Red onto Adams Red Hex Grip hand applicator. For machine application, use Adams Red glazing pad. Apply a thin, even layer to paint, glass, chrome, or aluminum. If using a machine, set to a low speed. Once hazed dry, buff away residue with a clean premium microfiber towel. What we're going to be using for our premium microfiber towel is going to be Shiney's Details towels that you guys have seen many videos on already. I absolutely love these towels. These towels are wonderful and they're just very, very, very soft. And I'll put a link down in the description to Shiney's Details as well. You can get a package of 20 of these for $15. Yes, they are made in China, but these are the nicest made in China towels I've ever felt. They are so, I mean, super soft, just as good as my Griot's Garage towels that I have that I've been using for years. They are just as soft as those. So these are not going to scratch your car. And like I said, for $15, you can get 20 of them. And there's just, that's a no-brainer in my opinion. But anyways, we're gonna shake it up really good. Let's see, it seems like it almost looks like milk. Let's see if I can get this on here. Oh yeah, it's very, very liquidy. Not thick at all. But this is a product I've been wanting to try badly. So let's see what it does. It goes on looking like milk even. Smells good. Doesn't smell bad at all. I'm gonna do like half the hood. Here, dummy, you gotta open the lid. I'm gonna do like half the hood and maybe we'll find out if it actually does add extra gloss to the paint. We'll go right down the middle, right there. That stuff is actually already hazed up. It's already ready to be taken off, so not sure what that smell is either, but it smells pretty decent. Rag, you can see it's hazed up. In fact, hopefully the camera will pick this up. Let's go right here. You can see, just like wax, it's ready to be taken off. Now it feels a little, it kind of tugs a little bit when you take it off. Like maybe I put it on too thick. Not sure. Man, it smells good. Not sure what that smell is, but man, it smells good. Take it over here and let's buff it off here. I'll let you guys be the judge. It did come off there very easily. So here's the side that's got it. Honestly, not sure if I see a major difference in the paint. Let's do it like this, maybe. I'm honestly not sure if I see a difference. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments section. Let me take the light back off of it. In fact, you know what? Let's just back it out into the sun and let's get an idea there. Let me back the car out here. All right, once again, I'll let you guys be the judge of this. So this is the side that I did. This is the side that I did not do. The only thing I see is it's a little bit clearer over here, the reflect, you know, looking at me. But that's about it. I'm kind of disappointed. Everybody talked about how great this was. Just really major paint pop. Sorry, that's my neighbors. And my daughter yelling in the background. I don't know, I'm gonna do some more panels of the car and we'll see what it looks like. So here's what we're gonna do. My wife is going to put this in the sun. I did the whole passenger side. I'm gonna put it in the sun, we're gonna see what it looks like, and then take it around to, she's gonna move it and bring the driver's side around to the sun and see if there is a difference. It's looking pretty glossy actually. Let's just see. You guys be the judge, because it actually is looking pretty glossy, but let's see the other side now. I just told her to move it on around. The other problem might be is that I keep my cars really clean and waxed. There's 2 layers of wax on this car. It's already glossy, so maybe I need to try it on something else. I'm not going to give up on the product. I don't give up on products that easy. Keep going forward a little bit, get the sun. Okay. See? I don't see that much of a difference. The other side might be a little bit glossier. Okay. That's good. Let me know what you guys think down in the description. Okay, let me do a video here in the garage so it's in good lighting. As you can see, it definitely is glossy. Glossier, I guess I should say. I will give it that, as you can see. I mean, it looks really good. But it's not to what I expected from all the reviews I've read, from all the videos I've watched. I really, really expected more. Maybe I shouldn't have. It's kind of dark over here. I mean, look at the reflection. I mean, it's good. It works, but you can get the same thing out of a wax. Because in my opinion, the only thing I really managed to do is break a sweat. I mean, it looks okay. Just really disappointed. I had really, really high hopes for this. I mean, if you see that, yes, it looks good. But it normally looks like that when I keep it clean. When it's clean, I guess I should say, not keep it clean, because I keep my cars clean. But when it needs it, when it's time for a wash, and I use a wash and a wax, this is what it looks like when I get done with these lights that are in here. Well, that's going to be it for the Brilliant Glaze video. The pros to it are, it is easy on, easy off. It dries really, really fast. When you take it off, at first, when you guys probably heard me on the hood, I said it kind of grabbed the rag. I put it on too thick. The thinner coat that I put on there, it just flew right off, no problems at all. The cons to it is, you go around the vehicle. I'm sorry, I'm trying to think of what I'm trying to say. So I'm going around the vehicle with this applicator, just like I would when I'm waxing. And I get done and I'm sweating my butt off because I feel like I just waxed the whole car. I added no protection. I didn't add, in my opinion, any more gloss than what this right here will do for you. Liquid Gloss Poly Wax by Gross Garage. And guess what? They're the exact same price, and that's going to give you almost a year's worth of protection. Now, I know that this is not a wax. Please don't misconstrue what I'm trying to say here. I'm just saying, price-wise, you can get that and get a year's of protection. I mean, this stuff worked okay. I'm going to say, a scale to 1 to 10, how happy I am, it's about a 4 or 5. It's just, I had really high hopes. My hopes were up here when I bought the product, and now I'm not too excited about it. Will I use it again? Maybe. I hear it works really good on glass on the interior. My glass I've already cleaned, so there's no reason to do it. I'm not going to see any results out of it. But what I'm probably going to do is my old blue, oops, I almost spilled that. Old blue Dakota. Some of you may know it right there. It is in need of a wash and a wax. The paint on that thing is not perfect, but it's a different color, and I'm thinking maybe it's a color thing. I'm not sure. Maybe this gray color it is just doesn't show the results like a lot of you guys have said that you get out of Brilliant Glaze. I'm not sure, or maybe the problem is that this car, at least, I know other two cars I don't take care of very well because they sit outside and I'm tired. I'm detailing everybody else's cars. So the one car that I care about is this one, to try to keep clean. We try to keep the miles off of it, so when it's paid off, we have a car with 20, 30,000 miles on it, and we got a lot of life left and not have payment. I keep this thing as clean as possible, and it is already a gloss level 10 to begin with. So that may be the other issue. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not giving this that's fair shake. I don't know. We're going to try it again in another video, I promise. I'll probably do a round 2 of Brilliant Glaze and a review round 2 and see what happens out of that. But right now, I'm just, out of the 8 bottles that I got in this bag, this is the one that I was really hoping I was going to get good results out of, and I didn't see them on this car. So we'll try it again in the future. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified, and we will see you next time.